All right, guys, welcome. We've been given a question where we are asked to factorize completely x squared plus 6xy plus 5y squared. Now, to proceed, we quickly write solution. Write solution, and we copy out our algebraic expression. We have x squared plus 6xy plus 5y squared. Now we think of two factors of plus 5, that is two numbers that when multiplied gives us plus 5, and when added these two numbers should give us plus 6. These numbers are plus 5 and plus 1. Plus 5 times 1 gives us 5, and 5 plus 1 gives us 6. Hence, our expression equal s squared plus 5y and plus 1. We take the place of plus 6, so we have a plus 5xy plus xy, which is the same thing as 1xy plus 5y squared. Now, solving further, we factor out x from x squared and plus 5xy. Then we have x bracket open, x plus 5y bracket close. Then we factor out y from plus xy and plus 5y squared. So we have plus y bracket open, x plus 5y bracket close. Now this ends up giving us a bracket open, x plus 5y bracket close, bracket open, x plus y bracket close. Hence our answer to this algebraic expression is bracket open, x plus 5y bracket close, bracket open, x plus y bracket close. Thank you.